Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to have a walk up to my Uncle Ped'S today. She was up there. It's only sat out, it's a bit cooler today. It keeps going warm. It's warm for about 2 minutes and then goes cold again. So we're going to see if anybody's sat out by the bars today. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay guys, I know what's going on over there. I'm getting impatient, I think
it's just a normal day in bENIDORM.
So I'm going to walk down, see who's sat out. Like I say, when that sun comes out it's really warm and then it just suddenly goes. It's a bit cloudy today though. Mariano's back to normal now. Good people in there. Piccadilly got a few in. Same with the silver dollar. Yeah. Got a bit of sun on, you'll get people in. There we go. More and more people about now. It'll be holiday season tomorrow. So we're expecting a lot coming in today, tomorrow. Get a lot of the hotels open back up. We have got something to check out today. So we're hearing Western Saloon Bar will be open tomorrow. We're going to have a check that out, guys. I really didn't think they were that close to opening, but we'll have a look. It's all Pelicanos there. Another one of the hotels that stopped open all the way through. Got the old tourist bus there. It all seems to be stopped outside here. Now that's the first pick-up point. There we go. Old Pelicanos. If you've ever stopped here, let me know what you thought, guys. Anyway, we're going to move on a little bit. I said we're going down Uncle Ped'S today, see how many's outside there. He's looking quite busy the other day when we come past. Trouble is at the moment, in the afternoon it's losing the sun a bit up there. I'm sure later on in the year it'll be a lot busier. We'll go and have a look though. Guys were telling me they've been cancelled for the Flash last night. Flash is definitely open. I don't know what the problem there was. Not got the music on too late today. No, they got it blaring out of there. But plenty of people in, as you can see. I really don't know what that problem was. Maybe they've overbooked or something. Calypso next door. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with that now. Yeah, any ideas, Marcus?
Not a clue, no.
Not a clue. I just shouldn't imagine it's going to be too long before it's open. Now we've got the bar open, bar area. We'll have to rush past there because they got music on. So we're going past.
Now you think they're in Bendorm, but they're not. They're in Tenerife, the Fulger.
There we go. There we go. We just get past this music now, or we get copyrighted. Sure we will. Yeah, I did a carnival one the other day. Had about 4 copyrights on there.
Oh.
Yeah, so I took it off and put music on it. I was up and down a bit, that one. Ended up taking me 12 hours to actually get the video up properly. There we go. So guys, yeah, it's not just a case coming out and shooting them. 2 minutes to have them up. Just take a bit longer than that, don't it, Marcus?
Alright.
Oh dear, the music's going up now, so we have to talk louder. Right, let's pull you up a bit. Uncle Ped'S over the road there. I got a bit of sun still. I think the sun has broke through a bit now. There we go, guys. A few people in there, it's not packed. A few people in there. And they have on the end now, they've got a restaurant on the end. And over there. got to look at. There's a restaurant on the end there. Oh, not there. No. Just behind them guys there. Used to be the bookies. I think that's where the food comes from now. Right there. It's a little restaurant they've opened. So yeah, best of luck with that. Yeah, we're just looking at this one behind us now. Have a walk back there in a minute. And we're on Riviera. No, are they getting ready for tomorrow? Or, but yeah, they've got all the chairs out. I think they may be just getting ready for tomorrow and everything ready when people get back. Well, it does look like it's open though. Definitely a different design to this hotel. Had some good reports about it. Definitely a different shape on there. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe as normal. If you like them videos, it helps us get out to more people. That's where we want to be. More people watching. Brilliant. And if you want to see more from Bendorm, watch the one that's coming up in the card. There's a few videos on there for you to watch. A few of the better ones we've done. Ones that got the most views. Okay guys, we're going to see you in the next video. Bye.